Welcome to this Anwyl Home demonstration. In this video, I'll show you the sprinkler system in your new Anwyl home. All rooms and passageways within your home contain a sprinkler, each covered with a cap. You can untwist the cap to reveal the sprinkler head, which is set off when heat from a fire melts the solder, allowing the water to flow out. The sprinkler feed has a T-pipe connection at a water entry point, which means any water used by the sprinkler is free for most homes. You can locate the sprinkler pump system in an accessible cupboard within your home. Your site manager will be able to show you the exact location. You'll also find the alarm system in here, which is triggered when there's a problem with the water flow or electric power to the system. The isolator valve is located in the loft of your home. Here you'll also find the water tank and pump for the sprinkler system. There's an overflow pipe that goes straight into the drainage system, as well as the AB air gap. Some water within the tank is automatically replaced every 28 days. Please ensure you have your sprinkler system serviced once a year. Failure to do so could void your home insurance. I hope you found this Anwyl Home demonstration useful. Please refer to your welcome pack for further information.